Hi friends, welcome to Genia platform. Have you heard the word adolescence? What does mean by adolescence? Yes, adolescence means the age period between 10 to 19 years called as adolescence. The word adolescence derived from Latin word adulcer. Adulcer means to grow up. In this adolescence age, several changes occurred that may behavioral change and physical changes. The physical changes may be external and internal changes occurred in the girls and boys, such as growth, rapid growth. In the boys, mustache and beard and secondary sexual characters are developed and voice change, etc. In the girls, we can see growth in mammary glands and waist growth, pelvic region also widen. Like this, several changes occurred in the girls. Main change is rapid growth in the adolescence. Do you think the girls and boys have same rate of growth? No, they don't have same rate of growth. To compare the growth in boys and girls, let us observe here one table to observe the growth and to compare the growth rate among the boys and girls. You can have a look at table. In this table actually there are three columns. In the first column we have mentioned age in years, and in the second column percentage of maximum height in male or boys, the percentage of height, maximum height in female or girls. If you observe this table, at the age of 8 years, the boys percentage of maximum height will be completed 72%. In the girls, the maximum height will be completed 77%. If you go from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 years, you can observe the percentage of growth rate in the boys and girls. If you represent in the graph paper, you can observe that one. If you take age on x axis and percentage of full growth on y axis, here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 years we have mentioned here, and from this percentage of full height on x axis 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. From this standard table, if we represent on the graph paper, actually here this pink color indicates girls growth rate and this blue color indicates boys growth rate. For example, if you see here in the table, you can see that one. At the age of 8th year, the boys maximum height will be completed up to 72%, but in the girls 77. We have indicated here 72% in boys, 77% in girls. At the age of 9th year, 75 in boys, 81 in girls. At the age of 9th year, 75 in boys and 81 in girls. At the age of 10th, in boys, the percentage is completed up to 78%, and in the girls 84%. If you represent all the age up to 18 years, if you link these are all things, here these are all dots, we can observe the growth in the girls and boys. From this observation, tell me friends, which age of period fastest growth in boys? From this table you can observe that one. In the boys, fastest growth is in between 12 to 13 years, here 84% to 88%. In the girls, which period of age fastest growing rate in girls? You can observe that one, 10 to 12. The fastest growth rate we can observe in the girls. When does the maximum growth in height attained by the boys here? If you observe that one, in the boys actually here 99% of the growth attained on the 17th year, at 17th year. But in the girls, if you come to that one, here the girls attain the maximum growth rate on 15th year. From this one, what did you understand? The growth rate is more in the girls than the boys. The maximum height will be attained by the girls. Firstly, you know that one. Do you know how much height will you attain? By using one principle, we can know how much height a person will be attained. For example, if you take here 13 years old boy, Bharat, present height is 154 centimeters. His age is 13 years. For example, if you substitute these values from this standard table, at the 13th year, the boy's full percentage of maximum height completed will be completed 88% here. present year, the Bharat actually presently actually he is about 154 centimeters. Next, percentage of maximum height completed 88% here. Multiply with 100, then we get the maximum height Bharat will attain. Here 175 centimeters, he will attain. This is the maximum height of Bharat. From this one, we come to know what is the maximum height will attain a person. Friends, most of the girls and boys worried about the pimples at the age of adolescence. It is common phenomena because in that age their sebaceous glands are very active. That's why they can get infection. That's why don't think about that one. You have to take some precautionary measurements, such as you have to clean your face 2 or 3 times with lukewarm water and with by using mild soap. Then you do not get pimples. That's why if you worried about that one, the severity is more. Don't think about that pimples. If any severity is there, you have to consult a dermatologist. Tell me friends one thing, nowadays the girls reaching maturity at early age, what might be the reason for that one? Think and write reasons for it. Thank you.